Hello and welcome back to my channel where we talk about my outdoor adventures and outdoor gear. Today I have another box from BattlBox, the survival and tactical gear subscription box delivered monthly. Today's box is what they call their Prepper Starter Box. This is a collection of gear meant for those who are looking to bolster their home survival kit. So let's get started. This is a really big box. After we open it, I'm going to move it off to the side. So let's see. The first item I see in the box is a Zippo Typhoon match kit. Each match burns up to 30 seconds. They're waterproof and windproof. As you can see, they're made for your emergency kit. It's basically a sealed watertight container with matches inside. Always handy whether you're camping or prepping for the end of the world. Second thing I see here in the box are aqua tabs, 100 tablets. So these are for doing up your water. Always handy to have. I'm familiar with aqua tabs, so this would be a great addition to your home kit. Next item I see inside is some sort of a bag. Let's see. This appears to be a silent pocket Faraday cage. Ooh, I've heard about these. So you stick your electronics on the inside here, and it comes with a nice over the set kit. So you throw your electronic device in here, and it no longer gets signal. And you can hang this up. This is both handy for silencing all mobile devices, but as well as turning off any kind of tracking on them. And that appears to be by a company called SLNT. I'm sure it said silent. Oh, next thing I have. Yes, heard of these. So you can use this right here to help break windows, and then this is a handcuff key. So wear it as a bracelet. Helps you get out of some interesting situations, as well as help you ingress or egress from a vehicle as needed. Next item I feel in here is by Überleben Modern Firecraft. Love the packaging. Give it a shot. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Sorry about the noise. Ooh, comes in a nice canvas pouch. And if memory strikes me correct, yes, this is the stove. Oh, got 4 sides. I'm sure I have to peel the packaging off. Oh. So there we go, the Überleben stove. Basically gives you a rocket style stove. So, nice and easy, and it packs down flat, which is always handy when trying to store something like that. The next item I see in here is a American Red Cross 72-hour food kit, 32 servings, 25-year shelf life, just add water. So, what does it say it comes with? Crunchy granola, cheesy macaroni, and teriyaki rice. So, as well as whey milk alternatives and a hearty tortilla soup. So, simple, Uh, remove the oxygen absorbers, boil cups of water, put in, stir, let sit for 15 minutes. So same as anything else when it comes to backpacking style meals. So 1800 calories per day, 40 grams of protein per day, 72 hours for one person. So again, handy to have for your home kit. And then the last item is the one I'm most excited about, and that is the FRX3 Plus all-purpose radio and portable phone generator. This is an AM/FM radio that is hand crank. Dimensions, as you can see, 5.8 inches by 6.9 inches by 2.6 inches. And it refers to the weather band, the FM and the AM. It's got NOAA weather alerts. You can charge your phone. It's got solar charging on the top. It glows in the dark with the indicator. It's got a DC input, so you could power this off of a USB. It's got an auxiliary input for adding your own microphone if needed. A headphone jack. Handy, it's got an alarm clock. The internal battery is 2600 milliamps. So can't wait to get in here and learn about all the features, but let's review. We got the Eaton FRX3 Plus radio. We got the 72-hour American Red Cross food kit that's made by ReadyWise. We have the Uberleben Fire flat pack stove. We got the Aqua Tabs water. We got the Zippo match case. We've got the GTFO wrist strap bracelet with glass breaking and handcuff key. Got the Faraday cage. So this is a great starter kit for those getting ready to weather out a storm in their home. Until next time, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and share the video. And until next time, happy trails.